Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video tutorial on how to upload your pre-made design to DuckPress Printing. Okay, starting from the home page, use your mouse to hover above the Upload Your Own section found in the menu at the top of your page. From there, you can choose your product type, I'm using postcards today, and simply click on it. This will take you to the job specifications page, where you can choose things like quantity, product size, and paper stock. Once you have filled those sections in, click the Upload Files button located at the bottom of this menu. On this next page, you will be asked to upload your artwork. You can do this by either dragging and dropping it over the center icon or by clicking on the Select Files button in the lower left of this section. Once your artwork has been uploaded, click on the Continue button located at the bottom right, and that will bring you to the Validate Your Print page where you can make sure that all the parameters you have chosen are correct. Additionally, if you need to, you can rotate artwork to fit the printing proof by clicking on the Rotate button located in the lower left of your screen. Now check the front and back. If everything looks good, just click the Continue button in the lower right of your screen. And kapow! There's your design ready to print. Just click the Checkout button and follow the instructions for shipping and payment, and there you go! It couldn't be simpler. Well, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using DuckPressPrinting.com, where business meets easy.